Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your weekly update for Bitcoin. Guys, we will check what's going on the next week with the Bitcoin price. I have some interesting news for you. So guys, keep your time, chill, relax, and watch this. Let's start. First of all, bad hair day. Second thing, let's start with Bitcoin. Here is CoinMarketCap, guys. You can see Bitcoin is going up a little bit, 1% in 24 hours, but in the week, Bitcoin is going down really fast, 8.5%. You can see here on the right side, this bad chart picture. Yes, really bad. Ethereum is going up a little bit more, 1.9% in 24 hours, but in the week it's going down also 5%, but you can see it's not going down so much as Bitcoin. The Binance coin is going up a little bit, in the week it's going down 8%. Solana up a little bit, down 9%. Cardano up a little bit, down 7.6%. XRP, yes, okay. Avalanche is going up really nice. Look at this, 16% in the plus, 40% in the week. Shiba Inu down in the week, 11%, and so on and so on. Let's watch the biggest winner of 24 hours. It's Gala. Gala is going up with 40%. In 7 days, 374%. Damn, guys. Oasis is going up 34% in the week, 58%, and Arviv is going up also. The biggest loser, Loopring, 7%, not so much. Shiba Inu, loser, biggest loser number 2, 5.6%, and Phantom is also going down 5.2% in 7 days. The biggest winner is Scala, Oasis, Crypto.com, and the biggest loser is Loopring, 22%. Sushi Swap is going down 20%, and Cardano is going down 19.8%. Guys, let's check what's going on with the Fear and Greed Index. It's important for the next week to watch this, and you can see for the moment we are neutral. We are on 49 points here. Yesterday we saw fear. Yes, we go down really fast, 43 points. Last week we saw greed with 74 points, and last month you can see it here, 75 points. Greed in the market. But for the moment we are neutral. So let's check this one. Here is TradingView. TradingView is telling us on the weekly we should buy Bitcoin. Moving averages strong buy Bitcoin, but the oscillators are on sell on the weekly. Not good. On the day, sell your Bitcoin. On the 4 hours, sell Bitcoin. 2 hours, buy Bitcoin. Interesting. And the 1 hour is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. So, okay. Really interesting. Short time frame, 1 hour, 2 hours. We should buy Bitcoin. Yes, we're going up a little bit. 4 hours, sell. 1 day, sell. And the week is telling us we should buy. Interesting. Guys, let's check the next thing. Here are the candlestick patterns. What's going on? Let's start with the monthly. The last one we saw, this one here was the 3 outside up. So on the big time frame, we saw here a bullish pattern. After this, a nice move to the upside. And we are still in a bullish zone if you're watching this. The bad stuff is if you're watching the monthly, check these big wicks to the upside, guys. You know it, they are dangerous. Big wicks to the upside are always dangerous. My nice cap here. Okay, the next thing, the week. The week is telling us for the pattern, this one. A bearish engulfing. Last week we made this. It's a medium reliability to go down from here. And yes, you can see, yes, we are going down. So the weekly is not so nice. We are here under a bearish pattern. Not nice, guys. The daily. What is telling us the daily? The daily showed us this one here. I showed you this on my video. I showed you the short opportunity for this. And it was a really big, nice short. Congratulations to all to make this short here. It was the 3 outside down bearish reversal pattern with a high reliability, and yes, after this we made a nice short position. Guys, I'm never shorting Bitcoin, but I'm selling high and I'm buying low. That's the thing I'm trading. The 5 hour time frame is also really important, and here we saw this, a bullish engulfing with a medium reliability, this nice leg to the upside, but we're going down here a little bit. So on the 5 hour we are here in the bullish time frame here. So let's move on. The next thing, guys, this is our Bitcoin dominance. What's going on with the Bitcoin dominance? No, sorry, guys, that's not the Bitcoin dominance. Let me check where's the problem. Where is my dominance? Here is my dominance. Sorry, guys, sorry. This is the Bitcoin dominance. And you can see the Bitcoin dominance is going down since 2017. Bitcoin dominance is going down here. There's a bad parallel downtrend channel, and we are fighting for the moment with the middle line. We are still going down with the dominance, but we are fighting with the middle line. What does it mean, guys? Let's zoom in a little bit more for the dominance. Let's zoom in, let's zoom in, let's zoom in. This is the daily time frame. You can see we are here in a little parallel channel to the upside, but it's not a really, really nice, big, nice uptrend. It's a, yes, it's a sideways going. It's not a, it's, okay, let me tell it, it's a sideways going parallel channel, guys. Look at this here. Okay, let me draw it a little bit better. This is a sideways going parallel channel. In this sideways going parallel channel, we are going up with this parallel channel a little bit to the upside. So, okay, maybe we can find the bottom here. We are for the moment on 42.8%. This is the dominance for Bitcoin. And we saw here a nice pump to the upside, 47. After this, down. If you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see it better. We are in a downtrend channel, in this parallel channel to the downside. And guys, important is now, can we hold this parallel channel to the upside or will we break down? That's the big thing if you're watching at the dominance. And guys, you know, if the dominance is going up, it's better to trade Bitcoin. If the dominance is going down, like this here, it's better to trade the altcoins. We saw here a nice fight with the EMA 200. After this, a big leg to the downside. And since this point, it was a better time to trade the altcoins as Bitcoin. Okay, now let's check the next thing. Guys, I found this here for you. And this is also a really nice stuff. The Bitcoin price prediction. Where will Bitcoin go this week? And this Bitcoin price prediction depends on a lot of indicators of social media and so on and so on. And you can see the price prediction is here for the next 7 days, a price to the upside about 61,000. With a little downgoing price, 58,000 up to 61,000, maybe on 24th. Here, 25th, we're going down and then to the upside. That's the prediction. It's a neutral prediction. So let me check it and let me show you guys the big predictions for this stuff here for the end of the year. You can see it here. It's also really interesting. You can see the internet prediction here by 76,000 is the target. Google strong by 92,000. Facebook 131,000. Strong by the mobile is telling us by 75,000. Okay, and here is the Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. And for the moment, we see here a neutral, not a really buy, not a really sell, a neutral. Okay, guys, that's really interesting. I will show you this here more often here. If you like this, please leave me a comment. I will show you these price predictions also here. But now let's go into my chart picture here. I drew this chart picture yesterday. I made yesterday a really nice longer video for this, and you can see it here. I drew some future drawings here. I told you guys maybe we are building inverse shoulder, head, and shoulder. Maybe this was the shoulder. It's also possible. After this, a fight with this line, and maybe we can break out or down, up and down. Yes, you know it, up and down, the pump and dump. So guys, this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see it here, the left shoulder, here the head, and here maybe this one here was the right shoulder, or maybe we are building here the right shoulder. But one thing, guys, I showed you yesterday, we are maybe going up to this point here to 60,000, and it was a perfect hit. Yes, we went up to 60,000. Now down again to the middle line. What is this middle line, guys? This is this parallel channel to the downside. This is the middle line. This is this red fat line here. This was a big resistance. Now the middle line is a support. We can make it green. So this is a support line now, and you can see we broke out over the middle line here to this point here. And what is this point? I showed you this point here. This is a really big resistance. Why it is a big resistance? You can see it here. It's a Fibonacci 0.236 Fibonacci at a price about 59,600. This is a really big resistance area. And what happened yesterday, exactly as predicted, okay, we went up to this price, saw a rejection from here down to the middle line. This green support is holding for the moment, and we went up again. Nice. The thing is now, guys, we have here a ribbon band, a green ribbon band, and we saw here a fight with the last line. Now we are fighting over the ribbon band. So we are between resistance and support. We are between support of the ribbon band and resistance here on the upside. Guys, here is coming the next big problem here for us. Here's 60,400 for the moment. It's the EMA 200. A really big resistance for us. We need to fight it back. So my hope is, guys, that we can break out here over this one here over this resistance area over 60,000. This would be nice. And if we can break out of this, we have maybe a nice stuff to the upside, a nice leg to the upside, the next one. But too much resistance for the moment. And you know it, guys. Remember, we are neutral for the moment. So let me show you this red line here, guys. This one here is our trend line. So if we are buying an inverse shoulder, head shoulder in the near days and the next days, or maybe this was the right shoulder, we have here this trend line. And guys, if we can break out over this, we have here a nice target. Let me show you. The line is from here to here, and we can zoom out a little bit more, put this line to the breakout zone. Maybe we will break out here on this point. It's not so the big thing where we will break out, we will see. But then we have a nice target to the upside. It's possible to reach 64,000. Why not? This would be the next big thing, the next big trade to the upside if we can break out from this here, guys. Okay, that's the little time frame. Let's check here on the downside, the MACD. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's zoom it up. You can see it better here. MACD on the downside. You can see on the 1 hour, the MACD is not nice. Why? You can see the blue line crossed here with this bad candle to the downside. The blue line crossed the brown line. We are now bearish. We are buying red candles here. You can see this. This is not good, guys. Let's check the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. What is telling us this one here? And you can see we are here on 53 points. Not overbought, not oversold. Okay. But let's make a line here. This is our support line to the upside. And you can see a lot of space to the downside. Also a lot of space to the upside. Neutral. Let's wait what's going on here. If we are making here a resistance from here to here, you can see it, a lot of space to the upside also. So guys, neutral. Let's watch the 4-hour time frame. What is telling us the 4-hour? On the 4-hour time frame, we can also make a line from here to here. And here we made a line as a resistance. What happened? We broke out. So the 4-hour time frame is really, really nice here. You can see it here on the downside, guys. We broke out the RSI over the RSI, over this trend line. Now we are on 50 points. That's bullish. That's, in my opinion, really bullish. Also, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, really bullish. The blue line is over the brown line. You can see that's also bullish. We are building green candles, but we have here not so much volume for the moment. The volume is going down. The green candles are going down. Not so nice for the moment. But we saw a nice breakout. We have now a nice support. And what's going on with the 1-day time frame? You know it, guys. We saw a bearish divergence here on the 1 day, and we are still bearish. We saw here the crossing, blue line under the brown line. We are buying red candles, but you can see it. The volume is going up a little bit or down a little bit. Yes, the sell volume is going down a little bit, guys. And you can see it. We are buying not dark red candles. We are buying light red candles. Okay, that's good. We are going up here a little bit, but we are still bearish. Blue line under the brown line and so on. The bigger thing is here, the RSI. From this point to this point, this is our resistance. And let's zoom out a little bit and let's draw a support. Maybe this is now really interesting. Let me check from the downside over this spike was the deepest spike here to the upside. What happened, guys? Really, really nice. You can see it. Support is holding. This line here is holding. And as long as this line is holding, I'm still I'm not really bullish, but I'm still positive, a little bit positive, as long as this support line here on the downside is holding, guys. Maybe this was the bottom. Maybe this was the bottom. I hope so. Okay, let's remove RSI. Let's remove MACD. Let's check now on the daily. This is the daily time frame. This is the green ribbon band. We are fighting back again. Let's remove all this stuff. Too much here. We are fighting back here in the ribbon band. That's good. Guys, I told you yesterday, we need confirmed closing candles in the ribbon band and not under. This one was a bad one. For the moment, we are fighting in the ribbon band. But let me check one thing, and that's not good. We are making not higher highs. You can see it here. This one yesterday was a wick about 59,800. For the moment, we saw a wick to this point, 59,700. Not a higher high. Not good. But also, guys, what's the positive thing about this? We are making higher lows. You can see it here on the downside. Here was a low, here a low, and here a low. Perfect wick to the ribbon band, to the last line here of the ribbon band. So, what's next? What's next? I will check this with our drawings. And here we are back again with the drawing. So, you know it, parallel channel to the downside. Okay, this line here is the middle line. Let me draw it like this one here. And we are for the moment back again over the middle line. That's bullish. Now the big fight, you can see it with this one. This one is the biggest thing to watch, 60,000 now. Big, big, big resistance. Let's watch the next thing. Let's watch the bar chart. The bar chart is telling us where's the next big support, where's the next big resistance. And we also can check it like this one here, guys. You can see the price for the moment, 59,100. And the next resistance point, yes, okay, we don't need to watch it, 60,000. It's really easy. And if we can break up over 60,000, we need 61,600. And we can make a line. 61,600 is here. So that's the next big red resistance, guys. If we can break out over 60,000, where's the next thing? Yes, really, really easy. That's the blue line. That's the middle line of the big uptrend. We are for the moment under this, but we need to fight back. And then this one. So you can see a lot of resistance here. The pivot point is here. The middle line is here. We have the ribbon band here. A lot of resistance here. Remove the drawings. Once again, I will show you one thing here. This is the really important stuff. It's first of all the golden cross. What's going on with the golden cross? We saw here a golden cross. After this, a nice pump to the upside. We are still in the bullish zone. You can see green line crossed here, the red line. Everything is okay. Everything is working. We are still in a nice pump, guys. Okay, and let's check now the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku is one of the baddest things for the moment because blue line resistance 61,000, red line resistance 62,000. Ribbon band, blue line, red line, damn. Guys, here is so much resistance. We broke all these lines to the downside. All lines, we saw a nice support here. It was a support. Perfect. But after this bad candle, we broke all this nice stuff to the downside. Now it's a big, big resistance. What will we see for this week now, guys? I think we will see a sideways going Bitcoin. I think it's not the baddest thing if you're not in a long position, since here it's not the baddest thing to go in a long position in this point here. I think maybe we should wait a little bit if you're not in a long position. One thing I will show you, last but not least, that's the Bollinger. Do I have it here? No, it's not here. Bollinger Bands. That's the wrong. And I have too much indicators here. Okay, to the downside, Bollinger Band. Let me check it. What's going on? So yes, here it is, the Bollinger Band on the daily. You can see, guys, here we saw a big fight with the Bollinger Band here, and it was a really easy thing to watch. Okay, guys, if we can't move on to the upside, we will go down from here because we saw the fight with the upper line of the Bollinger Band. The middle line is on 45,000. The end line is on 25,000. Okay, guys, do not watch this. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame of the Bollinger Band is looking better here for us. You can see it here. We saw a fight with this line to the downside. Maybe we are going back up again, and you can see the middle line is here on 62,000, 62,300, and the end of the Bollinger line here to the upside is on 67,000. So maybe, okay, maybe we'll see a fight with this one. Maybe the line will come down a little bit, 62,000, 61,500, a fight with the middle line. It's possible from here. It's really possible. And you also can see it here really nice, what I drawed here. Inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. Why not? Here the line, and here the fight, and here the breakout to the upside, middle line, fight here, and then maybe the upper side here on 67,000, or we're going down a little bit, 65, 66. That's also really possible for the end of this week. Maybe we can fight about this. Last but not least, guys, I showed you this one, and you can see here the prediction is on 61,000, sideways, not so bullish as mine, but it's going sideways a little bit. Guys, that's it. That's the weekly forecast from me to you guys. Every day I will make a new video here for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I need your thumbs up. You know it, guys. But I will not talk about this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, and please watch my live stream. You know it. I am streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm live on YouTube and on Twitch. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.